Another day, another story. Welcome to our channel, where today we embark on an extraordinary adventure exploring a dessert that's so heavenly, it's bound to make your taste buds dance with delight. Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth as we dive. Have you ever tasted something so incredibly tempting that it melts in your mouth while making you crave for more? Meet Kunafa, a Middle Eastern dessert that has been hailed as the king of all sweets. This delicacy is not only pleasing to the eye but also a culinary masterpiece that will transport you to a world of sugar-coated bliss. Originating from the Middle East, Kunafa has a rich history that spans centuries. Its precise origins are unclear, but it is believed to have been developed during the time of the Ottoman Empire. Over the years, this delightful treat has evolved, captivating the hearts and taste buds of people from. What makes Kunafa truly unique is the combination of its buttery, crispy pastry base and the gooey, melty cheese filling. The contrast between the sweet and salty flavors is simply irresistible. As you take your first bite, the cheese pull you witness is truly a sight to behold. Kunafa offers a harmonious blend of textures and flavors that will leave you craving for more. Video transitions. Close-ups of the process of preparing Kunafa, from the pastry being layered to the cheese filling being poured. Voice-over. Narrator. The key to perfection lies in the balance of ingredients and the skillful technique of its preparation. The traditional recipe requires a generous amount of butter, shredded dough or vermicelli, a luscious cheese filling, and a drizzle of fragrant sugar syrup infused with orange blossom water or rose water. The result is a symphony of flavors that will transport your taste buds to new heights. Video transitions. Time-lapse footage of Kunafa being baked to golden perfection. It's time to bring the magic into your own kitchen. We will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating your very own Kunafa masterpiece. From preparing the dough to achieving the perfect cheese pull, you'll become a dessert virtuoso in no time. Host demonstrating the process of making Kunafa, accompanied by text instructions. Well, there you have it, an unforgettable journey to the land of Kunafa, the most delicious dessert on earth. We hope you enjoyed learning about the history, flavors, and recipe of this heavenly treat. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delightful culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking! Upbeat music fades out. Video transitions to end screen with channel logo and subscription prompt.